just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, with
disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological.
stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented.
Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme
Conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself,
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been falling.
Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.
These days, because it seems like statistically the numbers have been falling.
Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.